Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we are actually going to take an old camper for a lady and we're just going to take it to our property, see if we can resell it. She actually doesn't have the title and she said it's her daughter's, but she wants to get rid of it. So just to cover my end, I kind of had my wife just write up this little piece of paper that I'm going to have her sign. I have no idea if that's even going to be good in court or anything like that, but at least it gives me the peace of mind that this lady said, you know, we could take this and we're not just stealing it. So hopefully it all goes well. We're gonna go right now. She said all the tires and everything are good on it, but I'll show you guys when we get there what it looks like. All right guys, we are here. Here it is. I'll show you the inside in a minute. We had to actually hook up our jumper cables to these two wires right here because this whole part was way out here and we had to push it in because I can't take it on the road if it was like that. I still have to put up all these jacks underneath here, but all the tires look pretty good. We're gonna try to pull it out of here, but the actual door was locked. All right, he unlocked it. I'll just show you quickly. This is why she wanted it off her property. I don't think her daughter's gonna be able to repair this. It's just been getting rainwater all in everything in here. As you can see, it's all gutted. And she was just afraid of animals and stuff living in here, which I do not blame her. So we got that whole part pushed in, and now I'm gonna pull it on the road. Hopefully these tarps and everything stay on. I'm just gonna try to wing it and see what happens, but first I gotta get all the jacks up. Like I was saying, we gotta figure out how to get those up. I put the steps in, and then we're gonna pull it over to the property and we'll show you guys everything else. All right guys, we got it hooked up. Only one chain, but then I had to take my impact gun and spin these all the way up. So there was 4 of those, but I'm just gonna get out of here and we'll go to the pond. All right guys, we are back at the property and we got this here in one piece. As we were driving off, the homeowner flagged us down because there was actually bricks on top of this. So that definitely could have been a hazard if those bricks would have fell off when I was driving down the road. But I'm gonna try to post this on Facebook Marketplace and see if I can get maybe 1,500 bucks. Even if all else fails, which I showed you guys the inside a little bit, the whole roof is messed up and everything. It is a double axle trailer, so at the end of the day, the trailer still has value. But as you can see, the whole roof here is messed up, and this lady knew her daughter wasn't gonna fix it, so she paid us to take it. So yeah guys, leave me a comment how much you think I charged to take this. There was a lot of things that were problems when I got there. For example, this thing wouldn't slide in. I figured out there's a motor under there, which I had to hook up a battery with a jumper cable to the front to give it power. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna save this and rebuild it. I already have a couple other campers I'm working on, but you know, somebody else might have time to fix this. So yeah, overall, it ran pretty good on the road. There's all these tarps that were going across the top, which were kind of a pain. And I took my impact gun on these and just spun these, so that went really good. But the lights did not work. As you can see, here's one tarp that just kind of fell off. But it needs a lot of work, but who knows, somebody may still buy it. And worst case, I'll just tear down all these sides and just keep the trailer. If I do that, I'll probably make a video of me doing that if I do that, but I'm gonna hopefully just sell this as is. And they did not give me the title, so I made them sign this piece of paper. It just kind of says that she did want me to take it, you know, and her daughter already said I'm taking you to court and stuff, but it was on her property. She probably wasn't gonna fix this, but who knows? You know, she bought this for $2,000 when she bought it, so it's one of those things that she lost a lot of money doing it. So hopefully I can sell it. All right, we are on our way to try to sell this camper. The lady didn't give me a heads up, so she said she was coming to look at it. So here they are. We're gonna see if they want to buy it. Yeah, that's why I got to put the tarp back on there. I didn't know it was gonna rain today. Yeah, that front part's the worst part. Right, that's how I'm trying to get it gone. But that thing pushes out no problem too. Yeah, pretty much it's just a shell.
Take a lot of money to redo it. What's your best price?
Well, I mean, I'm thinking the trailer alone, it's a double axle trailer.
Yeah.
You know, worst case, if it did just get damaged, I would probably just rip everything off and just make a trailer out of it. But I had it at $1,750 and now I think it's at $1,500.
Yeah.
Um,
About 12. That's a lot of work. I'm just thinking about a place right now for him, but we can, you know, it takes a week, 10, 15 days just to do the roof part to get it, so we can get in here.
yeah, I mean, that's why definitely once you get the roof on, I mean, you can put a bed in here and,
Yeah, that's
you
right.
know,
Yeah.
make it livable. And you guys said you have to come back for a hitch?
Yeah, I'd have to get and I won't take it today, but I would give you the, you know.
Okay. How about $1,350?
I just don't like that 1,300 number. That's an evil number.
That's an evil number?
Yeah. 1,250.
$1,250, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I got another guy. He
Just
wanted
don't like
to.
13.
Yeah, no big deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I had another guy who was going to trade me a truck, so I was going to maybe go that route if,
Right.
depending on what you said.
Yeah.
But man, it drives good and everything. But yeah, it just needs. Which you could put a tarp over that for now or something. But
Right.
I would, you know, if you want to do it right, that's going to be another
We'll have
story.
a ladder anyway to get up there. So you got a tarp?
There's tarps all up there.
I don't think a little bit of rain gonna hurt it anymore today.
Yeah. I mean, there's tarps up there, but yeah, I mean, I would
How
just.
does this go out?
There's actually a motor over there underneath that sink or whatever that was, that
It
stove.
probably don't work for now.
No, it works.
It does
But you
work?
got to just plug in. I'll show you up here. Yeah, well, those steps fold out again, actually.
Okay.
And then you got these little things right here. You put, you know, a brick under, and you just put my socket wrench on there, and it just spins out.
Spins down. Okay.
Yeah, it's super simple. But here's the jumper cables right here. You just connect a jumper cable to the positive and negative,
Yeah,
and
battery.
then you can press that button out.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's a battery.
and that works.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put a battery there, but if you're gonna just move it out one time, you might as well just hook up your jumper cables. And,
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
yeah, besides that, I mean, yeah, there's some tarps, like that tarp was up there,
Right.
so you might be able to just reuse all those tarps. But
the tarp's on the inside of the thing.
No,
that
I'm-
goes out.
well, that one, there might be one up there too, but yeah, there's one on the roof.
Oh Lord, are we doing the right thing, David? What you think?
It'll
Huh?
clean out that,
We're gonna
That
gut
office?
everything we can, and
yeah.
I mean, you can even just probably put tarps on it to get over it.
That's,
But like I said, worst case, you could definitely sell this trailer for $1,000 or more if you needed to rip it all off. I mean, that's a double axle trailer. Somebody will pick that up.
That's what I was telling him. I said, if worst came to worst,
that's 12.
Okay.
So
we
I
can
don't steal
gut
it.
it and make that into a boat trailer.
Right. Or something. Yeah. Or a flatbed.
I got a 23-foot hunter now that my sail club is complaining that it's looking rough,
Yeah.
and because it's in the water, I don't have a trailer to get it out. That's a perfect trailer. Just open up the middle of the back there, and I just pull the trailer up on you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta have a.
Well, I'm going to just trust that this is right because I can't count it right now. But I do have a bill of sale if you want me to fill that out. I just got to find out where the VIN number and stuff is.
Yeah, I need something different. I just paid you.
Yeah, it'll be here, but hopefully you can pick it up in the next couple days or
Well, I'll
whatever.
probably be Monday afternoon. After we close at 2, so I can come over Monday, get a 2-inch ball.
I might have a 2-inch ball. I
Oh
don't-
yeah.
Yeah, I think I might have one. Let me go check. Well, I always get balls and stuff from jobs too. Look at that 2-inch ball right there. I got some other ones too, but yeah, let me go get a ladder too. Then you guys can get those tarps off. What's that? It's 24 foot, 28 foot with the tongue. See how this is connected. Maybe we'll have to cut those
Yeah, that's what I figured.
ropes in the front.
I got a nice one.
Then they all should just come off. You got a locked ball? What kind of lock is it? Oh yeah, that's an interesting one. All right, they are trying to figure out if they can find a 2-inch ball or something. I'm gonna maybe go look and see if I have a 2-inch ball, just so I can get rid of this thing today. But they're talking about going up to Lowe's and buying one, and they want to cut the tarps off the top. And I got to figure out where the VIN number is for this thing. So I'm Googling that, and then hopefully I can get the bill of sale all filled out and we can get this thing gone. All right, this says it's usually on the front, the left front corner. So that's where I'm gonna go look. Well, now it's raining. We can't find the VIN number right now, so looking for that. And I'm having him recount that money. I only counted $9.50, so always should count, but I just took his word for it. Well, now it's raining super hard and he's recounting his money. So now it's one of those he said, she said type thing. So I'm trying to figure out how much money he brought originally, because he was supposed to give me $12.50. I went down from my price of $1,500, but I only counted $9.50. So hopefully he gives the right amount. And that's why this is the only time I didn't count, because I just figured this guy would be honest. He gave it in a rubber band, but always count. That was stupid of me. And now hopefully it all works out, but we'll find out. All right guys, we just sold that trailer, but they couldn't get that ball to work out, so they might head up to Lowe's and get a hacksaw and cut it and all kinds of stuff, or they're gonna come back Monday. But I'm gonna show you now how much we got paid for that. So as you can see, whatever, we made $12.50 off that, and I had to have the guy recount it. So he handed me like a rubber band full of money, and it was only like $700 or something. So he recounted it and he did give me the right amount. And usually I always count, but for some reason I don't even know if I have it on video, but I was just like, don't worry about it, I'm sure it's right. But that's something you should always do, and I don't know why I didn't do that. I just broke away from what I usually do for some reason. But yeah guys, so we sold it now. It's been 2 days later, and I originally posted this for $1,750, and we ended up talking them down to $1,250. And that's because, if you can't tell, it's raining. It's getting worse by the minute. Honestly, I just need it gone. I actually did have a guy who wanted to trade me a truck for it, which I almost entertained that, because in South Carolina the trucks don't really have a lot of rust on them. So that would have been a great, you know, a free truck basically. You know, we got paid to take this trailer, that I can trade it for a truck. That would have been an awesome thing to happen as well. But I'm happy with the $1,250. Overall, I think it went good. So now we just got to wait for them to pick this up. Another thing that happened with the bill of sale is I don't have the VIN number or anything on here. So I told them if they find that later, let me know. But the lady I got it from, it was on her property for too long, so she just wanted it gone. I'm not sure how all the laws work. I might have to like keep this for 30 days, but worst case, I'll have to find these people and, you know, give them their money back or something. I don't know. It's almost in their hands now, so it might end up being a crazy deal, but overall, I think everything's gonna work out. This mom seemed pretty confident that her daughter was never gonna fix this or come after this. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you next time.